Ever get the feeling you're overpaying Oracle by millions? You might be right, and the only way to know is benchmarking. Because in Oracle negotiations, information is power. Here's the dirty secret. Oracle's list prices are fake, inflated on purpose so their discount looks generous. A 50% discount could still be a rip-off if your peers are getting 70 or 80% off. That's why you benchmark. Find out what companies your size are actually paying. If others are getting 60% off, why should you settle for 30? Don't take Oracle's best offer at face value. Call them out with real data. And don't stop there. Bring competition into the mix. Get quotes from Microsoft, SAP, or cloud providers. Even if you never switch, showing Oracle you have options keeps their arrogance in check. Bottom line, don't play Oracle's game in the dark. Shine a light with benchmarks and alternatives. That's how you turn their non-negotiable into negotiable. Follow me for more no BS strategies to keep Oracle and every big vendor honest.